Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Shadowing Talk. I am very happy to see you here. This is our second video. Today, we will practice listening, speaking, and shadowing techniques to improve your English. Shadowing is a special method. You listen to a sentence and repeat it after me. This helps you speak English naturally, confidently, and fluently. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Just listen, repeat, and enjoy learning. Today, we have a long and fun story for you. This story will help you learn daily English phrases, small talk, and essential expressions. Now, let's meet our main character, Tom. Tom is 25 years old. He lives in a small city. He likes practicing English every day. He likes talking to people, visiting new places, and learning new words. Today, we will follow Tom from morning to evening. Tom wakes up at 7 o'clock. The sun is shining through his window. He stretches his arms and says, "Good morning," to his roommate. He brushes his teeth, washes his face, and combs his hair. He looks outside. It is sunny today, he thinks. Tom decides to wear a blue shirt, jeans, and comfortable shoes. He goes to the kitchen. He makes breakfast, bread, eggs, and a cup of orange juice. While eating, he checks his phone. He sees a message from his friend Sarah. "Hi, Tom. Do you want to meet today?" Tom smiles and replies, "Yes, let's meet at the park at 10 o'clock. After breakfast, Tom cleans the kitchen. He washes the dishes, wipes the table, and organizes his breakfast area. He fills the kettle with water to make tea later. He thinks about his day. I will practice English, meet Sarah, and maybe visit the bookstore. Tom sits at his desk. He writes in his notebook. Today, I want to speak English with at least 5 people. I want to learn 10 new words. I will repeat sentences for shadowing practice. He smiles, feeling ready for the day. He prepares his bag. He puts in a notebook, a pen, a small water bottle, and a sandwich for lunch. He checks his wallet to make sure he has some money. I am ready, he thinks. Before leaving, Tom looks outside again. The birds are singing. What a nice morning, he says. He opens the door and steps outside, feeling happy and energetic. Tom leaves his house and walks down the quiet street. The sun is bright and the air is fresh. He sees his neighbor, Mr. Smith, watering flowers in front of his house. "Hello, Mr. Smith. How are you today?" asks Tom. "I'm fine, thank you. And you?" Mr. Smith replies, "I'm good, thanks." "The weather is very nice today," Tom says. "Yes, it is sunny and warm. Have a nice day," says Mr. Smith. "You too." See you later. Tom waves and continues walking. Tom enjoys the view on his way. He sees a small bakery. The smell of fresh bread is delicious. He thinks, maybe I will buy a bread later. At the bus stop, Tom waits for the bus. A few people are already there. He greets a woman. "Hello? How are you?" "I'm fine, thank you." "And you?" the woman replies. "I'm good, thanks." Tom answers and smiles. The bus arrives. Tom asks the driver, "Excuse me, does this bus go to Central Park?" "Yes, it does," answers the driver. Tom pays for the ticket and finds a seat by the window. He looks outside and listens to an English audio lesson on his phone. A little girl sits next to him. She is reading a picture book. "Hello, what is your name?" Tom asks politely. "My name is Lily," she replies shyly. "That's a nice name, Lily." "Do you like reading?" Tom asks. "Yes, I like reading books." Lily smiles. Tom thinks, it is good to talk politely with people, even children. During the bus ride, Tom sees many things. People walking dogs, cyclists passing by, and children playing near the park. He repeats sentences from his audio lesson quietly. "Good morning." "How are you?" "Can I have a coffee, please?" "It is sunny today." The bus stops at Central Park. Tom gets off and thanks the driver. "Thank you. Have a good day." "You're welcome," the driver says. Tom arrives at Central Park. He sees Sarah sitting on a bench, reading a book. "Hi, Sarah. How was your morning?" Tom asks. "It was nice." "I went to the market and bought vegetables and fruits," Sarah replies. "That sounds good." "I also went shopping yesterday," Tom says. They start walking through the park. The sun is warm and many people are outside. Some children are playing with a ball, and some dogs are running near the trees. Tom and Sarah stop near a small playground. A little boy drops his toy car. "Don't worry, it's okay," his mother says. Tom smiles. It is nice to see people helping each other, he thinks. They continue walking. Tom says, "The weather is very nice today." "Yes, it is sunny and warm," Sarah replies. They talk about their favorite foods, hobbies, and movies. While walking, Tom sees a stray cat near a tree. "Hello, little cat. Are you hungry?" he asks. He gives the cat some breadcrumbs he has in his bag. Sarah laughs. "You are kind, Tom." After a while, they feel hungry. Tom says, "Let's go to the cafe." They walk to a small cafe near the park. Tom orders, "Can I have a coffee, please?" "Sure. Anything else?" asks the waiter. "No, thank you," Tom says. They sit near the window. Sarah asks, "What are you going to do this weekend?" "I will visit my cousin," says Tom. "That sounds fun." "I will go to the museum," Sarah replies. They drink their coffee slowly. Tom looks at the menu and says, "I want a sandwich next time." "It looks delicious." "Yes, it looks very good," Sarah agrees. While enjoying coffee, Tom sees a man reading a newspaper. "Excuse me," Tom says politely. "Can you tell me the time?" "Sure, it is 11:15, the man replies. "Thank you," Tom says. After finishing coffee with Sarah, Tom says goodbye. "See you tomorrow." "Bye, Tom. Have a good evening," Sarah replies. Tom walks back home. On the street, he sees a lost dog. "Hello, little dog. Where is your owner?" he asks. A woman approaches quickly. "Thank you." "I lost him," she says. "You're welcome," Tom replies, giving the dog back. He smiles. Helping others is good, he thinks. Tom continues walking. He sees children playing and a man reading a newspaper. He says politely, "Hello, how are you?" I'm fine, thank you, and you? The man replies, I'm good, thanks. Have a nice evening. Tom smiles and waves. Tom reaches his house and unlocks the door. He hangs his jacket, takes off his shoes, and washes his hands. He prepares dinner, rice, vegetables, and eggs. While eating, he listens to an English podcast. He repeats new words aloud, practicing pronunciation. After dinner, Tom washes the dishes, wipes the table, and organizes his notebook. He writes in his notebook, Today I practiced English, talked to people, and learned new words. I spoke politely and used small talk. I practiced shadowing sentences. Tomorrow I will continue practicing and learn more phrases. Tom then reads a short story in English. He repeats sentences slowly. Good morning. How are you? Can I have a coffee, please? It is sunny today. This helps him remember new words and practice speaking fluently. Now, let's practice shadowing with sentences from the evening section. See you tomorrow. Now it's your turn. See you tomorrow. Have a good evening. Now it's your turn. Have a good evening. Hello, little dog. Where is your owner? Now it's your turn. Hello, little dog. Where is your owner? You're welcome. Now it's your turn. You're welcome. I'm fine, thank you. And you? Now it's your turn. I'm fine, thank you. And you? I'm good, thanks. Have a nice evening. Now it's your turn. I'm good, thanks. Have a nice evening. Today I practiced English, talked to people, and learned new words. Now it's your turn. Today I practiced English, talked to people, and learned new words. I practiced shadowing sentences. Now it's your turn. I practiced shadowing sentences. Tomorrow I will continue practicing and learn more phrases. Now it's your turn. Tomorrow I will continue practicing and learn more phrases. Hi, Sarah. How was your morning? Now it's your turn. Hi, Sarah. How was your morning? It was nice. I went to the market. Now it's your turn. It was nice. I went to the market. Can I have a coffee, please? Now it's your turn. Can I have a coffee, please? Anything else? Now it's your turn. Anything else? What are you going to do this weekend? Now it's your turn. What are you going to do this weekend? I want a sandwich next time. Now it's your turn. I want a sandwich next time. Excuse me, can you tell me the time? Now it's your turn. Excuse me, can you tell me the time? Thank you. Now it's your turn. Thank you. Hello. How are you today? Now it's your turn. Hello, how are you today? I'm fine, thank you. And you? Now it's your turn. I'm fine, thank you. And you? The weather is very nice today. Now it's your turn. The weather is very nice today. Excuse me, does this bus go to Central Park? Now it's your turn. Excuse me, does this bus go to Central Park? What is your name? Now it's your turn. What is your name? It is sunny today. Now it's your turn. It is sunny today. Thank you. Have a good day. Now it's your turn. Thank you. Have a good day. Good morning. Now it's your turn. Good morning. It is sunny today. Now it's your turn. It is sunny today. Yes. Let's meet at the park at 10 o'clock. Now it's your turn. Yes, let's meet at the park at 10 o'clock. I will practice English today. Now it's your turn. I will practice English today. I want to learn 10 new words. Now it's your turn. I want to learn 10 new words. Excellent work today. You listened, repeated, and practiced shadowing. Remember, practice every day to improve your English fluency. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, leave a comment to tell us what topics you want to see in future videos. Keep practicing, and your English will become more confident and natural. See you in the next video.